Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? And I am back with the Zodiac monthly reading. Today is 1st of December and I want to see that how you everyone will do for rest of the month and the last month of the year. So let's start with Aries. Aries, you can expect some justice in your life, be it a professional, personal life, and you can also expect a court marriage or anything related to legal activities and all. If you are not getting justice in your life, also from your loved ones, you are going to get it. So please be hopeful throughout the month. Good time is ahead. You are going to get some very good marriage proposals or business proposals, job offer very soon, and it will be a stable offer also. So, a very good month ahead. Be the light, be the hope and light in someone's life. If anyone has lost hope or something, please show them some way out and give a direction. So it's a good time to become a guide. And as for Baba, Baba is saying talk less about your pains and hurts. Don't give them a place in your consciousness. So be careful, means like if it is like something has happened very nasty in your past, so you have to let it go. You have to let go of your anger issues as well, pain, everything. Surrender completely to the divine, Baba's will. And Baba is saying, do not stop whatever you are thinking about, a new project or new relationship. Please go ahead. This is the right time for the manifestation as well. Taurus. Taurus, I can see that you are manifesting a lot for your love life, marriage, and new job, business growth, etc. And the universe is going to grant it very soon. Very good time is ahead for this month. And again, Ace of Pentacles, it's a double assurance that whatever you are manifesting, be it personal and professional life, it is going to happen very soon. So please be hopeful, keep manifesting, keep praying, so that you will be able to achieve your goals. Surrender completely to Baba. Gracefully surrender to your master and angel and let them deal with the current situation. Don't worry about anything. Do your own work and everything is achievable right now by you. Stop running after marriage. It's an illusion. What is not for you, not meant for you, it will never happen to you. So please let it go and everything will fall in place once. And abundance, again, assurance from angel that you can expect love, happiness, money, business growth, job, everything. A very good month ahead for you. Please keep working hard and do something very smartly. You can get it, whatever you are wishing for. Gemini, okay, this month you can get some new offers, be it personal or professional life. Be careful while choosing the offers, it might not be a stable one as well. So, so look at the sign and go as per your intuitions. So don't trust too much, but you will be in a very stable kind of position, be it money wise, love life, romance, everything will be there. Queen of Pentacle card is a very nice one for everyone. And live in the present. Tomorrow is a myth, and it's always today. So be hopeful and look for today only, today's energy. Do not judge. Free your mind of perceptions and judgment. Do not judge too much, means like other people and all. So please be open and surrender to Baba again. And no, it is not the right time for a new project. So hold on for some time. Maybe the next year you can start something new. Right now it is not the right time. It is not like completely no, but right now it is not the right time. Cancer, you are holding tight your finances or whoever loved ones. You are too scared of losing everything. But be hopeful, dear, and be little painful also. And it is okay, fine. Whatever you have lost in the past, that will not, I mean, don't hold any kind of fears or something, and forgive few people if you can. So that is also necessary. And yes, angels and gods are behind you, and they will grant your wishes very soon. Keep praying, keep manifesting, and something good you can expect very soon. Dhuni, burn all your worries, fears, anger, hurts, jealousy, and diseases in my Dhuni, Baba is saying. And take Baba's Uri every day with a glass of water after taking bath. Also apply some Uri on your forehead. It will help you a lot. And channel, I make you a channel of my work. So please have faith on Baba. Shraddha and Saburi, Baba has told already. So that is the thing. No, it is not the right time for your new kind of any projects or professional, personal, any kind of thing. Please hold on. I think 2022 will be a better time to start anything new. Just have some fun in between. And Leo, you can expect some new beginning. Death card is not in tarot. Death card means like a new beginning you can expect in personal, professional life. Nice one. You are like, I have done my bit, and I'm just feeling too lazy right now. And you have fought a lot for yourself. You tried to prove your point of views as well. So now you were just like, it's enough, I cannot do anything, so it's enough. Please be patient. Something great is going to happen. Baba is giving guidance. Seva and charity are the surest way to achieve soul growth. So serve the needy. Baba will be happy for that. Free will, give your free will to Baba and not your desire script. Completely surrender yourself to Baba's lotus feet. Reconsider whatever options you have, be it a business or job offer or anything, love life offer, that you please reconsider that thing. Virgo, you are feeling too depressed right now, and you are just focusing on whatever you have lost right now. But see, universe has lots of things to offer, and you have to just pick those cards and you have to cross the road. So this is not the time to feel too lonely or something. You have to fight for yourself, and everyone goes through ups and downs and everything, but you have to be strong, and you have to move ahead. Again, you are feeling too overburdened with all the responsibilities on the personal and professional front. You want to move ahead, but you are not able to do it. So hold on. After 10 days to 10 months time, you will feel something better, opportunities coming up and all. Harmony, let there be a harmony of mind, body and soul. This will create balance of all elements. So you need to create some harmony. And Baba is saying the power of Udi, my Udi will heal all your emotional and physical problems. So try to have lots of Udi water. Apply Udi on your forehead. Try to do some meditation, just do some inner work and do some prayers. Go to a temple, do something spiritual activities. Also you can balance your chakras, so that you can manifest more often, and you can attract something good for your life. If you believe, you can achieve anything. Again, that is the main thing. So be hopeful, and I am sure something amazing is going to happen in 2022. Hold your horses until the time you enjoy this last month of the year, and let's see from January what will come up. Libra, you can expect arranged marriage, and you can expect some justice for your life. If anyone is looking for a divorce case, also it will get solved, and also a nice time ahead. And next 5 months will be a good time for you, and you will be in abundant position. You will be having a good time with your family and everyone. So lots of money and growth, business growth, professional growth. You can expect anything. So it's a good time ahead, and next 10 months are very good. So sufferings, greatest souls get evolved after a lot of sufferings. So please hold on, and please keep praying, do meditation. So whatever has happened, it's past right now, and just focus on your present. Baba meant to say that only. And learning, life is a school, learn and soar. So whatever life is trying to give you the lessons, just take the lesson from the life and just soar above. Not the right time for the right say new project or something. Just hold on for some time. I think 2022 onwards you will be getting more projects, more business opportunities, etc. So hold on for some time. Scorpio, you will be in a very good position this month, I think so. A stable kind of position I can see, authoritative position, business growth, the job offer, everything will be there. But somehow you will face some kind of obstacles also, but you will be able to get out of this kind of situation because you have lots of inner strength, and you will be fighting for yourself, your point of views, etc. So have a great time ahead and fight for yourself. Master's will, whatever you are going through is happening with your master's will. Go through it with a smile. So it's everything like God's wishes, Guru's wishes. So accept whatever you are going through right now. And divine oneness, there is only one divine supreme being. Although the ways of reaching him are different, we are all interconnected. So divine oneness you can expect. And yes, this is the right time to plan for your next year, some new resolutions and all. And obviously new project you can start, new business you can start. A very good time ahead for you guys. Sagittarius, you are completing one cycle right now, and it's a very good card in tarot, the World card, and you can expect some growth in your personal and professional life. Excellent month will be it is, and a stability you can expect all over. So and read the holy books, any holy books like Gita or Sai Satcharitra, anything. Turn your information into knowledge by practicing and what you have learned. So do some spiritual activities and do some manifestation for the next month. Karmic cleansing, masters, archangels, angels and guardian angels are working to process your karma. So karmic cleansing are happening, and so be little patient. Unlikely some nothing bad will happen right now. You are thinking a lot, overthinking kills sometimes, so be hopeful, otherwise you will lose all those opportunities. Capricorns, you will be getting some chota mota offers, be it personal or professional life, but be happy, and you will be trying to balance between personal and professional life. Try to do that, and you will be investing lots of time in charity as well, and you will be in a good position in this month. Be assertive. Being too good is not the answer. Being assertive is. Be little diplomatic as well. And Shraddha and Saburi, be patient. Even though you don't have the answer, wait and trust on Baba's timing. Everything will fall in place at the right time. Within next few months you can expect many things, marriage or a new job or anything. So this is the good time. Okay. And Aquarius, you are going through some tower moment. You are going through like it's like you are feeling like everything has been ended, or what is it, you are feeling directionless. No dear, before the new beginning there might be a tower moment, but you can expect a good thing in future. And see, means like universe is going to offer something new opportunity. It is coming slow. Have patience right now, and you will get everything whatever you are looking for. Balance is the energy, will curb oscillations. Do breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, all those stuffs you have to do. Abundance, you will receive the gift of abundance very soon. So abundant life is ahead. And celebration, obviously whoever is looking for marriage or any family celebrations and all, they can expect it. Baba is assuring that. So be hopeful and everything will fall in place. Take action. If you are getting some job offer, business offer or anything, you have to take action towards that. So that is also there. Pisces, universe is going to give you some new opportunities, be it business or personal growth or anything. You will be having a very good time, and obviously few obstacles you can also face during this time, but it is okay. After five weeks or 5 months, you will be in a very stable position. So be hopeful and have faith on Baba's wills. Dreams, I will communicate with you through dreams. Baba is going to give you some meaningful dreams, so be careful and see what he has to say. Grace, accept with grace the life plan you have chosen at our soul level. During our bath, we all have chosen our life plan. So, whatever we have chosen, we have to honor that thing, and Baba is there to support you. As for angel, ask for help from others. Others can help you, be it personal or professionally. So that is the thing for this month. This is the last month of the year. If you want yearly prediction, you can get in touch with me directly at 9167821321. It's a paid reading. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.